guys, welcome back. Right now we are in San Juan, Puerto Rico, and we just booked an excursion to see the top 10 places in Old and New San Juan. So we're looking forward to that. And this is going to be a 4-hour tour. This is my 4th time in Puerto Rico, but I love this island, and it'll be interesting to see what other sites that they're going to show us here during the excursion. Out here on the bus. So just a quick tip, if you book a shore excursion with your cruise line, the shore excursion that you book are actually inside a terminal, because there are different zones within the terminal and also outside of it, and they duplicate the zone numbers, so it kind of got pretty confusing, because when we asked one of the attendants inside the terminal where our zone was, they said that we need to go outside, and then when we saw the zone number outside of the terminal, we were told that it was inside, so it was very, very confusing, a little bit disorganized, but we're finally here and we're just looking forward to the tour. We just have a few people that we're waiting for. They probably got sent outside too, so we'll see. Hopefully we'll leave in a few minutes here.
They don't spread any diseases.
We just got off the bus for our first stop. Forgot the name of the stop.
And let's take a look, my friends, my beautiful people of Rotterdam. To the top of a wall, between the blue and red buildings, you'll see the smallest property in the Old San Juan and in all Puerto Rico. Yes, it's inhabited. It's called La Casa Estrecha, the narrow house. That's the second level, by the way.
We just made it out here to our first stop. I think it's called La Princesa Prison. Not sure. But it's this building right here.
Okay, my beautiful people of Rotterdam by Holland, America. We have the main entrance to La Princesa, the former La Princesa prison today. Since 1989, it became the headquarters of the Puerto Rico Tourism Board, which is known as the Puerto Rico Tourism Company. La Compañía de Turismo de Puerto Rico. Again, not Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico, Honorable Governor Jennifer Gonzalez Colon. My dear friend from Yarahana High School, but I don't share this with anyone. She was originally, before she came to office, and actually inaugurated office on the last January the 2nd. She was our resident commissioner representing Puerto Rico.
Look at this cool fountain. Looks really beautiful. So this tour is 4 hours long, but the first an hour and a half is a walking tour, visiting different spots here in San Juan. And in some of the spots, you're gonna be given 10-15 minutes to go wander around on your own and take pictures. Just exploring around on our own here, because we were given 10 minutes to wander around the area. This is so nice out here. That's so cool. The governor of Puerto Rico is here. Aww.
Ladies and gentlemen, Jennifer González Colón, Governor of Puerto Rico.
Yeah.
She's the one driving.
I know, right? That is so cool. We just saw the governor of Puerto Rico. She's the one driving the golf cart too. It's amazing. We're just getting to our next stop, which is the San Juan Gate.
Relax, take some pictures.
This is the San Juan Gate, which is the first gate that was built and the only one remaining out of the 6.
Side bridge exiting from the gardens. That red gate over there, that red frame gate. My friends, I told you that the Old San Juan historical site had 6 gates that gave us access. And climb up on the rim my friends, let's stay here in this sidewalk.
Wow.
She was in 7th grade, just started junior high school.
It looks so pretty. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. It looks so nice. We just finished our last stop. We're on to the next one, which is going to be the cathedral. Our guide just told us that the yellow building here used to be a nunnery back in the day, and this is actually the oldest part of San Juan, according to him. Okay, so at this stop, we're gonna get 15 minutes to just wander around and check things out. So I'm gonna go for a quick walk, maybe check out some souvenir shops, and just explore. This is our stop right now. This is the cathedral. It's located here on a very beautiful street. We decided we're gonna go check out the church, or the cathedral rather. We just made it in here in the cathedral. Look at how beautiful this is. So nice. Back on the street now, just walking around. We have 15 minutes before we need to go back to the same spot that we last stopped at. We're just gonna go check out some shops here, look at some souvenirs maybe, and just enjoy the beautiful San Juan. This is my 4th time here in San Juan, and I just really love the vibe here. Especially, I love the architecture. These colorful buildings just look so beautiful. I'm heading back now to the meeting spot, and then we're gonna go to the next site. The tour is back on. We're now walking to our next site.
Don't be left behind.
Those are some gorgeous parrots. Wow. Our next stop is the governor's mansion.
In front of you,
It's all the way there to
the
the
main
end.
entrance and the main building of the Palacio San Catherine, el Palacio de Santa Catalina, also known as La Correa. My friends, these blue cobblestones, not the fake ones that are up ahead in the street. These ones, in blue color. These are the cobblestones brought originally by the Spanish between 1890 to 1898. There's still people here in the Old San Juan that they're still arguing that these specific cobblestones were brought here hundreds of years prior to that date. But the official and on record fact is that these cobblestones made of stone and iron dust, iron waste. That's why they're blue colored. Were brought here between 1890 to 1898. These cobblestones also that were used as ballast on the sail ships. Okay? Now, my friends, since we have to give access to that golf cart, let's move on.
We're now headed to our next stop,
Okay, my beautiful people of
which is this chapel here.
Watch your step here. My friends, in front of us, we have Jesus Christ the Savior Chapel, La Capilla del Santo Cristo de la Salud, built between 1752 to 1782, 83. And this chapel was built at the very top of the southern walls, which by that time, the height of the southern walls from where we're standing, where, I don't know if you can see from here, it was that low. It was this low. Context. This whole street, before this chapel was ever been built, it was used as an improvised horse racetrack. Yes, horse races, believe it or not, but it's part of the history, and it has been fact-checked. This street, one of the oldest streets in the Old San Juan, El Cristo Street, Jesus Christ the Savior Street, La Calle del Cristo. The whole race took place from the very top north of this street, where you see the National Gallery at the very end of the street, right there in the northern side. Yeah, the pigeons. That's the pigeon part, by the way. That's why you see all the pigeons that live in the Old San Juan. They come here to be fed.
I just stumbled upon this pigeon park. Whoa. That was some interesting sights. Now we're heading back to the bus to the next leg of our tour. I'm not sure how many more stops we have. It's supposed to be 10, but we've had a lot already, which is great. I really like this tour. It's so cheap too. It's only like $50 per person. So it's definitely worth it and highly recommend. This is the smallest property here. This building in yellow, the smallest and narrowest here in Puerto Rico. We're walking back to the bus, and from this place you could see Virgin's Scarlet Lady. Looks pretty nice. All adult cruise ship. This is the stop that we're at right now. It's a quick food stop. We're only going to be here for about 20 minutes to try out some of the empanadas or the fritters. Those are the fritters that they have, and it's some of the empanadas. It smells really good. Doesn't help that I'm really hungry. Alright, so these are our choices for the empanadas. They also have a pizza one. Oh no, it's fresh. I'm gonna get that. It smells really good. Alright, we're getting the pizza empanada. I'm gonna take it to go back to the ship. I'm back on the bus with the pizza empanada. I think we have one more stop to go to. I'm not sure. We're really pressed for time because the tour started an hour late because they were having issues with the customs. At least that's what they told us. So yeah, we're trying to wrap everything up within an hour because we need to be back by the ship by 6 o'clock p.m. and it's already 4:45. And that concludes our today's video. If you guys enjoyed this content, please give this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.